So 24K is one of the hardest ones. Intro, normally people tend to do the chords, the build-up chords. I do those. Those I kind of treat them like that. And then to the intro. Yeah, so I'm trying to get the chord and then in there is kind of hard. But if you do the B flat minor 7 like that without the root, it's right in front of. And then as it goes on, I kind of try and funk it up a bit more. Then that you got the middle section. It's just kind of vocals and drums, isn't it? And then there's that little. Then into the halftime, so I whack the overdrive on. So yeah, as I go. Yeah, so trying to get the overdrive off there in time. But yeah, I'll try and do that little. Yeah, and then yeah, I try and chuck on the overdrive for that. Often I just sacrifice the clean sound and just roll off the volume, sort of a bit crunchy. So you can do all the heavy bits as well. Yeah.